Destruction of the city after the war destruction. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you now to look down the street. If you look down this street, the first building with the scaffolding on the right-hand side, can you see it there? Yes, to the right. The first building with the scaffolding. This is the house where the most famous Polish woman was born, Madame Curie. Actually, I should say that Maria Skłodowska was born here because her maiden name was Skłodowska, Maria Skłodowska. Worldwide famous, she became as Marie Curie, Madame Curie, because she married a French chemist, Pierre Curie, and she lived and died in France also. But she was born here in Warsaw, and Madame Curie discovered two chemical elements, polonium and radium. And as the only woman up till now, she was awarded the Nobel Prize two times, once in physics, once in chemistry. She's also the only woman up till now who is buried together with her husband Pierre Curie in the Pantheon in Paris. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, let's continue our tour. Side of the river, and they were watching the agony of the city. Stalin knew exactly what was going on in Warsaw. He did not move his soldiers, he did not move the army. He waited until Hitler killed all the people, and an emperor that Poland is emperor here, that Poland is. We found the memorial, the green building, of the green chalk. That's why in the upper parts of the columns you can see scales, which is the symbol of justice. Scales, the symbol of justice, the Supreme Court, which we are going to pass. The White Palace building, which we will also pass because our bus, ladies and gentlemen, where we are going to go now, is parked on the other side of that White Palace building. Memorial to the Warsaw Uprising and military church on the other side of the street. Ladies and gentlemen, please be very careful now when you cross the streets because we are getting to the zone where it's the cars that are, because over there you had the right of way. Yes, here we need to cross the street only on the green light. So even if you don't worry, we'll wait. But you know, even if you don't plan to cross the street on the green light, don't try to cross it. 1954 was the year when this particular house was recreated. Let's continue, please. It's a typical Northern Gothic style church, very typical Baltic Gothic or Northern Gothic style, completely leveled during the war by the German Nazis, and in 1956 reconstructed, recreated according to the pre-war Northern Gothic style. For a moment we will go inside the cathedral. Yes, there are steps there. And before our eyes adjusted about Ladies and gentlemen, this is the oldest and the most important church in Warsaw, the cathedral, archcathedral. In the main altar, you can see the copy of the icon of the Black Madonna. The Black Madonna is the patron of Polish Roman Catholics. The Black Madonna, the original icon, is the Saint Jehovah, like the third screen before. Saint Jehovah is the Polish Fatima from Portugal, or Guadalupe from Mexico. The religious capital city of Poland, Saint Jehovah, that's where the original icon of the Black Madonna in the monastery's place. But in every Polish church, and of course the most important church must have it on the main altar, in every church you will see the icon of the Black Madonna. Also in this church, as you can see, there are beautiful stained glass windows, which present famous people who contributed something to Polish culture, tradition, religion, and history.